Hello, good morning to everyone. In last class, we learned what is line of symmetry. Okay, we observed that in every figure there is a one line symmetry, but now we will find in the questions maybe line of symmetry more than one, maybe one of line of symmetry or two line of symmetry or multiple line of symmetry. Line of symmetry mean everyone know. A very just a simple example. Suppose if it is a square, you want to find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry mean draw a line, and when we fold the paper, they will cover each other completely. It means it is a line of symmetry. It is a line of symmetry. Suppose one more example. Suppose it is a triangle given, okay? And if I fold like this one, it is a triangle, everyone know? It is a triangle. If I fold this one, they are not cover each other completely. It means it is not a line of symmetry. So line of symmetry mean when a line which divide the figure in two identical parts. Okay. So now 13.2 first question. There are the different parts of the first question. First part, A part. We have to draw. It is like a square. Yes. It is a square also. Now we will observe that how many line of symmetry. First we will check it. It is line of symmetry. Yes. You will make a square yourself and you will check yourself. Look at. It is a horizontal line. So yes, it is a line of symmetry. Yes, it is cover each other. When you fold this figure, these are cover each other completely. It means it is a line of symmetry. You can give the name L line. Now we will check for vertical. It is line of symmetry. It is also L. It is M. M is also line of symmetry. Fold it. Yes. When we fold vertically, there is two identical figure. Left and right side are same. It means it is also line of symmetry. Now it is a square. We will check like this one. In diagonally, it is the L, M, N. So we will check it for N. It is a square, and for diagonal. Yes, it is a diagonal. They are cover each other completely. Yes, both are identical. Both upside and downside both are same figure. It means it is a line of symmetry. Same as it is. We will check this one diagonal. L, M, N, P. Understand? So we will check like this one. So yes, they will cover each other completely. Which means it is a line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry? There is a 4 line of symmetry. So you will write there is 4 line of symmetry. Understand it? You will make figure by using of scale and pencil, then you will write. Understand? Next figure. Look at. You have to imagine in this figure. Okay. Look at. In B part, can we say that it is a line of symmetry? This line L. Yes. When we fold it, this side cover this one and this side cover this one. Yes. When we fold this figure like this one, they are right. What is line of symmetry? Line of symmetry means a line which divide a figure in two identical. Identical means same part. So it means when we divide it, left side and right side both are same. Yes, it is meaning it is a line of symmetry. Next is horizontal. It is also, yes, it is also line of symmetry or not? Yes, when we fold, when we take, it is line of symmetry. This one cover this one and this one cover this one. So when we fold it, they are two identical figure. Next is, if I will take diagonally like this one. Yes, they will cover each other. Yes, when we fold diagonally, this one cover this one, and this half cover this one, and this half cover this that one. Understand or not? So it is also LMNP. Same as it is LMP. And next is this one diagonally you can take. It is N. So how many line of symmetry in this one also? So you can write same as it is. There is 4 line of symmetry, and write there is 4 line of symmetry are LMNP. Are LMNP. There are 4 line symmetry that are which are LMNP. Understand? Now C part do yourself. Oh, understand it? Next is, now we will find line of symmetry for D part. So how many line of symmetry, tell me? Line of symmetry, how much? Yes, if I take horizontal like this one, yes, on the top is head and downside is leg. Are they are identical both sides? No, they are different. But if I take like this one, yes, it is. Now when I fold it, both side figure are identical or not? So how? So it is a line of symmetry, and this one is line of symmetry. No, because if you will take horizontal, upside is head and downside is leg, and head and leg are both are same. No, so it is not a line of symmetry. So which one? Right? So in this one there is L is line of symmetry. Understand? Very easy exercise if you understand. Next is E part. Everyone know a closed figure. What is the name of this figure? It is name is regular hexagon. A regular hexagon, I already told you. What is the regular hexagon? A closed figure in which all 6 sides are equal. Regular whenever come, it means all sides are equal. So how many line of symmetry? Yes, it is line of symmetry. Yes, both sides, left and right, both are same as it is. When we take this one, it is line of symmetry. Yes, it is also line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry? 3. But can you observe that it is also line of symmetry from the middle of this one, and it is come like this one. 4, same as it is. 5. You can make it. I am telling you. I am making one more figure. Yes. Now we are taking. Now they are also line of symmetry. Yes. And if you will take this like this one, yes, it is a line of symmetry. You can rotate this figure. And next is this one. So same as it is. So one more. So how many line of symmetry? So there is L. It is L, M, N, P, Q, R. L. So how many? So right. There is 6 line of symmetry in a regular hexagon. Understand it? Next is next, which one? G part. In G part, yes, any line of symmetry? Yes. If I take line of symmetry like this one, they are line of symmetry. Can you say that left side and right side are equal? No, it is not line of symmetry, because left side is downside and upside is, and left side is, it is downside, on right side it is upside, and when we fold it, they will not identical. So it is not a line of symmetry. Yes, anyone? One more. Can you say that it is a line of symmetry? When you fold like this one, so this one upside come here, downside come here. It is a line of symmetry. No, they are not identical. If it is no line of symmetry, you can write there is no line of symmetry. Okay, line of symmetry. Next is I part. So we will find how many line of symmetry in I. So look at in this figure. If I take, it is line of symmetry or not? This one and this one equal. This one is covered. This one and this one is covered. This one. Understand or not? Are you understand or not? On right side flowers cover on the left side both. One. And next is same as it is. We will take middle of this one. 2. Same as it is. 3. Next is 4. And next same as it is. 5. How many line of symmetry? There is 5 line of symmetry. How many line of symmetry? 5 line of symmetry. So you will make figure yourself. Okay. Now second question. Yes, second question. I already told you there is the 3 types of main. There is the 3 types of triangle. There are main 3 types of triangle. Which one? Name is everyone know. Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Second is isosceles triangle. Third is isosceles triangle. Third one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle mean I am repeating, a triangle in which all 3 sides are equal. 6, 6, 6. If all 3 sides are equal in any triangle, it is equilateral. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which only 2 sides are equal. It is suppose 5, it is 5, it is 6. Only 2 sides are equal. And scalene triangle, a triangle in which all 3 sides are different. 4, 5, 6. All 3 sides are different. So remember this one. I am already told you what is. We already finished this one in the chapter number 8. Okay, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, regular hexagon. Okay, so note down it. So now we will do our exercise. Next question. Next question is second question A part. In second question A part, it is given. The figure it is given, and when you will measure by the scales, it is 2.5. It is also 2.5. Suppose it is A, it is B, it is C, and it is come 3 centimeter. So tell me, in this triangle, how many sides are equal? 2 sides are equal, and if in a triangle 2 sides are equal, then it is a isosceles triangle. So we have to find, in each case, draw the line of symmetry. It is a isosceles triangle. Okay, look at here, and now we will find how many line of symmetry. It is isosceles triangle. It is 2.5. It is also 2.5, and it is 3 given. So line of symmetry we will find. So when we fold the paper from here to here, you can write. So we observe that it is fold it. So you will cut yourself an isosceles triangle and you will check yourself when we take two equal sides, this one and this one are equal, this one and this one equal, when we fold, they are cover each other. It is a line of symmetry. Now we will check from the this side. Okay, you will say, sir, it is a line of symmetry. It's okay, but can we check it from this side? Yes, I'm checking from the this side also. Suppose it is a isosceles triangle, 2.5, 2.5, 3. Now I am observing from the this side. So when we observe from this and I fold it, when I take this one, when I fold from the this corner, then are they are cover each other completely? No, they are not identical. So how many line of symmetry in isosceles? Only one. How many? One. You will fold like this one time from the this corner. Yes. Second time from the second corner you will fold like this. We observe that it is not identical. So it is not a line of symmetry. So right? It is a isosceles triangle. Therefore, only one line of symmetry. And one line of symmetry from where? Where two equal sides are meet each other. They are this side and this side equal. Where they are meet? Here. So it is a line of symmetry. Next part. Next also when you in next part also when you measure it, it is 2.5, it is 2.5 and it is 2.4. So again it is become a isosceles. So in this one also one line of a symmetry. So always remember in a isosceles triangle only one line of a symmetry. So B part do yourself. Next part. Next part, C part. In C part, you will observe it is 2.4, it is 2.4 and it is I think 4 centimeter. And we observe that in this triangle also, two sides are equal, and if two sides are equal, it means isosceles triangle. And line of symmetry always remember in isosceles from the corner of where two equal sides meet each other. So 2.4 where meet? Here. So line of symmetry is this one. This is the line of symmetry. So right? It is right isosceles triangle. Why I am saying you it is right? Right mean when in any angle two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree, then we call it is right. Okay? Otherwise you can write only isosceles. Understand it? Next is dear D part. D part, make the figure with scales and pencil. It is 2.5, it is 2.6 and it is 2.2. Now tell me, it is a which type of triangle? It is named so tell me, if all three sides are unequal, so which one type? So it is a scalene triangle. And now you will cut a scalene triangle and we will observe. It is a scalene triangle. Okay. First we observe that when we fold from the this one, from this corner, so we observe that they are not cover each other. Yes, you can check it. They cannot cover each other completely. That means it is not line of symmetry. Now we will check from this corner. When we fold like this one, so we observe that it is also not a folding. Now we check from this corner. Again we fold. It is no line of. So right, always remember it is a scalene triangle and there is no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry. Remember always this one, because in third question I am asking you, give me one example which have no line of symmetry. So what example you will give? Sir, it is a scalar triangle. In a scalar triangle, no line of symmetry. Give me one example, a triangle which has only one line of symmetry. So one line of symmetry always in. It is an isosceles triangle, and you will write there is one line of symmetry. So in isosceles, one line of symmetry. In scalar triangle, no line of symmetry. Understand it? Now, question number 3. Question number 3. In first part, shape, rough figure and number of line symmetry. So first is number of line symmetry. First is given equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means a triangle in which all three sides are equal. It means 6. Anyone you can take 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Anyone. So we observe that you will make a equilateral triangle and you will check it how many lines symmetry. So you will find in a equilateral triangle all these three lines are line of symmetry. So how many line of symmetry? There is 3. Now we will find for square. Yes. In square, how many line of symmetry? It is a square. First question, first part you already find. How many line of symmetry in a square? First is horizontal. Yes, it is. Next is, it is like a rectangle, but you have to make it square. I am making again. It is. Okay. So when we fold horizontal, it is a line of symmetry. It is also line of symmetry. In square, diagonal is also line of symmetry. So how many? There is 4. Next is rectangle. So rectangle, you will make a rectangle and you will find how many line of symmetry. So line of symmetry, first is vertical. When we check it, yes, they are cover each other. That means it is a line of symmetry. Next is horizontal, like it is also line of symmetry. Yes, it is. But now we will check diagonally. Yes, it is diagonal. Everyone look at. And now when we fold according at its diagonal, yes, can they cover each other completely? No. So it means in a rectangle, diagonal is a no line of symmetry. So how many? Only 2. Understand? Next is given isosceles. We already finished isosceles in second question. Do yourself. So in isosceles, how much? Only 1. Next is rhombus. Look at rhombus. Next is rhombus. What is rhombus? Do you know? Rhombus is a quadrilateral. Yes, rectangle also quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure in which 4 sides. So rectangle 4 sides, it is also quadrilateral. Square also 4 sides, it is also a rectangle. It is also a quadrilateral. But in rhombus, it is a rhombus. Okay. Rhombus means rhombus is a like a square. In a square, everyone know each side is equal. Same as it is in rhombus is also all side are equal. Suppose 3, 3, 3, 3. But only one difference. In a square, every angle is 90, 90, 90. But the angle is not necessary. They will be 90. Here is a line straight, but here is some slant line. Okay. So this one, okay, it is base. Okay. This one. Understand? Now we will check it. We will check horizontally first in a rhombus. In horizontally, when we observe that, yes, it is not cover each other completely. So it means horizontal is no line of symmetry. Now we will check vertically. Vertically is also they are not cover. But now we will check diagonal. When we fold according as diagonal, they cover each other completely. So it is line of symmetry 1 and only 2 line of symmetry in a rhombus. In a square 4, in rhombus 2, in rectangle 2. Next is circle. Everyone know it is a circle. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Any other? Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this one, how many we can find? Many, countless. So we can say that infinite. Infinite mean countless. We cannot count. Understand it? So it is a line of symmetry. Now question number 4. Question number 4 is based on question number 2 and 3. So tell me first figure. Question number 4, first part. Exactly one line of symmetry. Can you draw a triangle which have exactly one line of symmetry? So one line of symmetry in which one? So one line of symmetry I already told you. In which one? In isosceles triangle. So you will make isosceles triangle. 4, 4, 5. So one line of symmetry in, you will write isosceles triangle. So you will make the figure of isosceles and it is line of symmetry. B part, exactly 2 line of symmetry. Can you make a triangle? You can write we cannot make a triangle which has 2 line of symmetry, because everyone know in isosceles 1, in scalene 0 and in equilateral is 3. So any triangle in which 2 line of symmetry, there is no triangle. C part, exactly 3 line of symmetry. So 3 line of symmetry in equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle. So make equilateral triangle 5, 5, 5 and you will show like this 1, 2 and 3. Make diagram by pencil and scales. Okay. Next is no line of symmetry. No line of symmetry in which figure? In a scalene triangle. Understand? I hope you understand it. It is very easy exercise, but only it is a time taking. Understand? So thank you everyone. Have a good day.